update for you guys. We are now here in Bohol. We just got here yesterday. We didn't do much filming on Sikihor. We stayed only 3 nights. First full day in Bohol. It's beautiful out. It's 6:30 now, so we're gonna go head off on the scooters, try and find a hidden waterfall, see what that's all about, and try to find some breakfast as well, because I am starving.
This is where we're staying. And the skies are blue.
Ready?
We should give her a name. What's her name? Or his name? I think we should call him
Susan. Halfway there, we maybe have 20 minutes to go. We just did a little pit stop because our butts hurt and we're hungry. So we found this little bake shop. Do you have candy cocoa? Thank you. Have a nice.
Alright, so all this costs
68 pesos, like $1.50.
$1.50.
So we had a successful pit stop. We're now gonna head back on the road. It is 8:03. Let's see what time we get there.
We made it. There's the sign. We're gonna go try and take some pictures though before we go down to the falls, because there's beautiful rice terraces down here with palm trees all over the place. So before the light gets too harsh, we're gonna go and take out the cameras.
Alright, so we just took some pictures of the spot. Look how beautiful this is. Haven't seen rice fields like this since Bali.
Thank you very much. So it's a 10 peso entry fee, which equates to what, 50 cents?
25 cents.
25 cents. 25 cents. I have a feeling it's so cheap because not many white people have been here. Got a chance to climb up to the top of the waterfall, and it's really beautiful from the top. You see all down below with the rope swing, but the only way to get there if you don't have a GoPro, which we do not today, through the dry bag. So I'm heading up back to the scooter to go get my dry bag, which I thankfully brought today. Sorry guys, I didn't bring the mic with me on this adventure because just because it was in the way, but this is the view I was talking about. There's Yas and Ish, the rope swing, and just jungle as far as you can see. So I climbed up, there's a rope down there attached to the waterfall. You can probably see it there. So you climbed up that, climb up these little rocks, and then this is the top of the waterfall here. You can even jump down into the waterfall from around here. If you walk on this little pathway here, you'll get to a spot near that tree, and it's a good 6 or 7 meter jump down into the waterfall.
I made it up.
She made it.
That's the view. Sam's abs. What's your rating?
So much better than Kawasan Falls.
Oh yeah. What's your rating?
Oh, from up here it's a solid 10 out of 10. Like from down there, it doesn't look that impressive because the waterfall isn't that high and you don't really get to see the actual color of the water. But once you climb up here, it's as good as any waterfall that I've seen.
Sam is going in for a last jump before we go. Look at this water! Insane. Insane. Also, this guy is insane.
Back on Panglao Island. We just made it to this resort that has a cliff jumping spot. 10-meter jump. And you can see there's tons of sardines down there as well. So it's a good spot to snorkel. 考虑一下，没有真的。录的时候你掉下去。
Ish, you next?
Of course. 哦，有那个，有那个。Pagkawan lang ko.
Lagyan natin push.
Yeah, still making up her mind. We're gonna jump or not. We've been here for an hour and a half, but
An hour and a half?
everybody's on a day off today, so that's why there's so many people. All the locals came to chill. Ready? Go on.
So it's on camera. If I die, Yas has to tell my mom. Unless she jumps right after, then you have to tell her. Unless you jump right
I'll
after.
call everybody's mother.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So you right after, eh? Right after, Yas?
3,
You have no choice.
2, 1.
2.5.
Just wait for a while. Just... Yes, you're on the vine.
Don't look at.
I'm trying, but
All right, we're going home now. We've been here for a solid 3-4 hours. This spot was so much fun.
Talk, bro.
All the locals came out to jump and swim. Say hi to the vlog. He's the best. So yeah, we might come back and see him tomorrow.
the best encouragement.
All right, let's go eat. Food! Nice visor, bro. Found this little fruit stand. Gonna take some photos quick, pick up some fruits. Time to end the vlog.
Put your helmet.
With my helmet on. We just came down to the bridge to catch the sunset because we figured it would be nice. And now we're gonna go get some supper. Tomorrow we're gonna go to the Chocolate Hills, and then we're flying back to Cebu and then to Palawan. We're gonna hit El Nido and Coron up. That should be really fun. Really good day, full of adventures. Love the cliff jumping spot. Shout out to our guest house owner for telling us about that. That was epic. Spent the whole afternoon there, and the waterfalls this morning were really, really nice as well. Overall, 10 out of 10 day in the Philippines again.